Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Today I have very interesting clips. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
I don't know, guys. Flamin', thanks for the sub. I mean, okay, it's not a huge secret. The other good news, leak? Well, it's not a huge leak. All right, you guys remember when Corpse said he was gonna hand deliver me a hoodie? It might be happening sooner than I thought. Might be happening sooner than I thought. I don't know. Anyway, Shirai, Kiori, Amalia, and Jocelyn, thanks for the subs. Oh, yep. Nope, that was the wrong one. We know how to clean this, guys. We learned this the other day from House robbery. Hold on, this comes first. Job was unavailable. Ah, poop. I guess you have to do it really fast. All right, that's good. Molded over toilet paper.
How's it going in there, sir?
Oh God, it's going great. What's with the diapers, by the way?
That's Charlotte. He kind of just leaves them everywhere. I apologize.
Oh,
we
okay.
We tried talking him about it, and then he started doing.
Oh God, am I ever gonna meet this guy?
Honestly, the diapers are the lesser of the evil.
Right.
I'm telling you now.
What's this purple stuff?
I don't know. He's been in here for a long time.
I think we just slowly remove it. Oh God, this one's a
it?
tough one.
Did you drink the purple stuff?
I kind of just forced it down the pipes. You think it'll cause a? Was I supposed to drink it?
Well, I didn't know what it was. I was kind of hoping that it was like grape juice.
No, it didn't. It didn't look like grape juice. Well, oh, I think we're good. It's all clean. Here,
right,
come on in. Come on in. You can see how clean it is. It's so clean that you could take a bath in this toilet.
Oh, that's very impressive. Wow.
That's how clean it is.
There was like a whole block in there. I was kind of confused how that worked.
Yeah, I hit it with an ice pick, chiseled it down into little chunks.
There's still a couple things around the ceiling and the walls.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I don't look... Oh.
Oh, yes. Be
Oh,
careful
Jesus.
where you
I
stand
don't
up.
look up very much. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah,
Hold on. I need to
careful.
take a call. I'll finish
There's
this up,
one on
though.
the
Don't you
ceiling as
worry.
well. All right, just making sure you're fine.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Doing great. Thanks. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hey, Claire. How's it going?
You know, I am extremely disappointed.
Wait, what's wrong? I'm literally cleaning a bathroom right now.
Have you
Yes,
seen
he's
the
a
state
lot
of
better
the
than
bathroom
Fingal
at the
Dan. He
casino
cleaned
right now?
up
Where
half of it
are
already.
you?
I'm cleaning a bathroom right now.
What? What bathroom
Yeah.
are you in right now? Please tell me you're not at the competition.
I must be at the other bathroom. I must have just missed you.
I just went to both
Oh,
bathrooms.
wait, I can give him like a
You must have
receipts.
just missed me. I will be there. Don't
just
you
went to
worry.
the bathroom.
You must have definitely just missed me.
My,
I'll look for you.
this
I'll look for
bathroom
you.
is
I'll look for you. Don't you worry.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm actually cleaning one right now. Right.
Which bathroom?
The one that you just passed. You must have just missed me.
The fucking janitor. Have you seen his bathroom?
I don't
Oh
know.
my God.
Yeah, I'm about to be there. Don't you worry.
This is ridiculous. Get here now.
Yep. I'm.
Oh,
Oh God. Oh God.
sure.
Okay, technically we were cleaning a bathroom. Huh? Oh yeah, I was just busy cleaning the bathroom, the parking
Which
lot
bathroom. The one at the Roosters Rest? Our competitors?
What?
Our competitors?
Wait. How can
Roosters
you
Rest.
be?
Were you at the Roosters Rest? I heard you have another job.
I do have another job, but I mean.
I can't believe you're cheating on us.
No. I just work really hard. That's all.
Look in this bathroom.
Closed for cleaning. Oh my God. Oh my God.
We had to close it down because it was so bad.
Jesus,
It's
what
awful.
happened in here?
I don't know.
Used gum. Jesus, don't worry. I'll take care of this and no problem. I'll be taking a shower in that toilet. That's how clean it'll be.
God. Okay.
Don't you worry, Claire.
I won't
Jesus.
worry.
Who sets this all up for me? Poop in the sink. On the mirror. All right, let's do some actual clean front. We can practice our. There we go. We're actually cleaning it. See? That looks like we cleaned it. All right. X, thanks for the sub. +1 rope. Look at that. I'm actually doing it. You see this? Right there. There we go. We cleaned it. Sort of. It looks like we're rubbing it on ourselves, but that, you know, it counts as cleaning. Right here, and right there, we cleaned it. There we go. Yep. This is good role playing, right? We're like actually doing it. Empty bottle. That's a wash right there. There, we picked up the empty bottle. There you go. We're doing great. Used gum. Let's pick it up off the floor. Oh, you can't do that? Okay. There we go. We just picked it up, ate it, free gum. That's what they call it. Unflushed, no problem. Push the little button there, and then it's flushed. There we go. Do/pick up. Oh, not too late now. All right, looks pretty clean. Let's leave Adam. Why does it just say Adam in there? Who's Adam? Who's Adam? I'm gonna find this guy. Let's see. EJ, thanks for the sub. All right, let's leave a nice message in here. Thanks for the free gum. No, I'm just kidding. Clean beyond your wildest beliefs. I can't believe how clean it is. All right. There we go. Nice and clean. This restroom's open for business. I wonder who actually sets it all up for me. They put a lot of effort into it. Oh, someone removed the sign. I don't even think I did that. All right, we're good. All right, let's clean this off here in the front. Clean that door. What?
No! My ankles!
Oh, he doesn't even have ankles. I'm throwing them in the ocean.
No!
What?
You know.
What?
You
Can
know
we
what you
really
need to
do this, guys? This doesn't seem right.
Please. It doesn't have to
Can't
be.
you just like punch him a little bit and then, you know?
I pull a gun out again like last time.
I
I got some goodies. Need to make sure you don't
What?
pull a fucking gun out like last time.
What are you, crazy?
You've seen too much, but we can
You
let
know
know.
you've seen too much.
Oh, Jesus.
You know you can walk out of this alive, but you know
Jesus.
What the fuck is this?
The only
range?
way you'll
What is
trust
this?
me is if I do it?
Gives you stunningly fair. What the fuck is this?
Eugene, back away from Pat.
All right, hold on. What the fuck is this?
Oh,
What
God.
is this?
Okay, so they're
Place
saying
the
I've
middle
seen
finger
too
on my
much,
left
and
hand.
if I don't
Prosthetic
do it
because
to
of you,
be
Mickey. Is
part of
that
the
not enough?
crime,
You've
they
taken a
won't trust
fucking
me.
finger. You've taken a fucking
Guys, I
finger.
can't.
I don't know what. You
I'm
kept
not a
snitching
killer.
on us. What do you want me to fucking
I'm
do?
not. Listen, it's not snitching. I don't have a fucking criminal
You
code.
keep
I'm a
calling the
goddamn
cops on
security
us.
guard. You keep
Oh,
committing
Jesus.
crimes at the apartments.
Pat,
We're at
shut
an
the fuck up.
impasse.
Yeah,
and
he's
I'm
just
on
doing
the
his
dock
job. He's just doing
with
his
a gun
job,
in the
guys.
back. I'm
And
just
you
doing my job.
know, we're just doing our job. Listen,
we're just doing our job.
Oh,
For the love
Oh,
of
God.
Why
you know,
is
you
it
got
always
caught
the
up in this,
fucking
and I
dock?
want to let you live. You know, I want to let you live, but you know.
Oh,
what you
God.
have to
They're
do.
gonna kill you too, you know. They know that you
know.
gave me that weed.
If
They know
you
that
do-
weed is illegal. They're gonna kill
Oh,
you. for it.
God. No,
You
they
know,
said
if you-
they'll trust me if I take you out, because then I'll be
no,
part
if
of the
you
crime,
take him
too.
out-
No, for
You
the
know,
love
if you
of God.
take him out, then you're part of this. Then
No.
they'll trust you.
No,
Oh, God.
Out of
That's
here,
called
you know.
blackmail.
I
They can
can't do
frame
it.
you. They can frame you.
He's nice. He's nice.
They want you to do their
He's
dirty work.
not nice. He literally
I'm so
antagonizes the
nice.
apartment.
Look, Mickey, your
No,
pants, they're
he's
so
only been nice
fashion,
to
you
me.
look very
He's-
good.
He's a friendly guy.
Mickey, I have that exact shirt back at my apartment.
Listen.
Honestly, I
Listen,
love it.
can
I
I-
wear it all over. No, I'm
Can I say a few words to him, you know, in private?
You can say some things to him.
Just give me a second with him. Just a
Yeah,
second.
of course, of course.
What's his name? Listen, your name's Pat, right? Pat?
Yeah, I'm bad.
Look, he gave me a knife. He wants me to stab you, but here's what we're gonna do, all right?
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna pretend I'll just like punch you in the back and say the knife slipped out of my hands. You jump off and pretend you're dead.
Apparently, you can get him from
Okay, perfect.
This is the only way.
Wait.
Yeah.
Carry me and drop me into the water and say, he
All right.
told me he can't swim. He's gonna drown in there.
Oh, that's genius. All right.
Please, no, you know I can't swim. You know, please. You know, no.
Wait, what?
You know, please, no. That's my worst fear.
All right.
Definitely no.
I'll take care of him,
please,
guys.
no.
I'll take care of him.
No.
I'm gonna
That's
throw him
my
in the
worst
water.
fear. You know, I don't want to
He's gonna
drown.
swim
I'd
with the
rather be
fishies.
burned alive,
You know,
please,
that's
you know.
sick. The drowning's
You
the
know,
worst way to
no,
die.
you
Watch
know.
this.
Ah,
Oh.
oh, dizzy. Oh,
You have to
he
look to
threw me
your,
right
look
over
to your
the-
left.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Hey, get back here!
Oh, my God.
Eugene, don't shoot
Oh,
him.
Jesus. No, he can't. He
kill you.
can't. No, he can't swim. He's as good as dead. He's as good as
We
dead.
gotta go.
He doesn't know how to swim. Let's go.
We gotta go!
Look, it'll be even better. He can't swim, so he's gonna die a slow
Fuck.
and
we gotta
painful
go.
death because he definitely can't swim.
Wait a minute. Why? What if What if you're lying?
Well, to be fair, he was the one who told me he can't swim, so there's a chance that he can and told me he can't.
But you trusted Pet. He's a liar. He's a snitch. He's probably
Oh.
called the cops already.
Yeah, look, we'll get him next time if he does. We'll get him next time, but you can trust me, right? See, I
Does anyone want his
threw him
gun?
in there.
They don't like his firearm.
Oh,
I'll probably
Jesus.
take it once we get out of here. Let's go.
Oh, Jesus.
Wait, let's get a different car.
Oh, different car, right.
Oh,
Oh, God.
Anto pinged me as well. We should probably.
What did we
arrive at
just
where he is.
get into? Oh, God.
I'm scared of the witch.
Alright,
as
I'm
well,
pretty
but
sure he can
sometimes you have
swim,
to
but
deal
at
with
least
the
he didn't
witch
have to
by
die,
executing her
so...
and setting her on fire. Sometimes you have to do it.
Why are there so many cars here?
I don't know.
This place is
You have
rich.
to deal with the witch, you know.
Whew. Sad, thanks for the
me-
sub.
let me
And
call him,
Savage,
make
thanks
sure
for the
he's
5
still
gift subs. A few minutes in, how did this happen? I have absolutely
Deal
no
with the
clue.
witch.
At least we didn't have to kill that guy,
You know, I
though.
Can't believe you made that.
They
guy
wanted me to
drown.
stab him, those maniacs. Yuno goes to work, gets kidnapped, and has to
You
almost
drown
kill a
him
guy.
alive, or I go to the
Pretty
market.
much.
Actually, which...
X.
Was this a bet or some shit? Was this a bet? What the hell's going on?
Hey, Ron, listen, hate to be the bearer of bad news, but you gotta get back in the bank. And I'm not kidnapping you, but this guy's about to kill that lady if you don't get in there.
I better get some goddamn casino chips for this shit.
Wait, don't get hit by the bus! Oh my god!
Jesus.
You gotta
By the
get
way,
back in the
see you
bank.
later.
Hey, let
Oh, jeez.
Officer, hey.
This is the worst robbery.
Run!
Jesus.
Are you whispering to, Lex?
Who? What?
The guy in the back here. I'm just talking to him. Yo,
A guy in the back? What do you mean?
Whoa, he has a gun on me!
What?
What?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, the truck is...
What? The truck's moving. What's happening? Take me with you.
What the...
Let's go!
Wait, what the... What do you mean, guys?
Like,
can't-
I signed up for a police ride along last week. I signed up for a police ride along last week.
Took us with him. It's fine.
Yeah, police ride along.
I can't...
He
I'm
gave
gonna
us
get
permission. He gave us
fired.
permission.
I don't under... You... Wait, Clarkson gave you permission to come in the car?
He gave us permission.
I think so. Yeah, I think so. The
the
dude with the hair. He might have said
my-
that maybe, but I don't
The dude
remember.
with the hair. I have hair. I didn't give you permission.
Oh, I signed up for a police ride along. I signed up last week.
The park ranger. What is that officer doing?
How's that officer still on the truck?
Is his name Jean-Claude Van
No, it's Richardson.
What is
Shit. Close enough.
This
These
is
two
the
are
most-
park rangers trained. Oh my
Jesus,
God.
he's insane.